We're in الدرس السادس عشر of كتاب أدوات الربط, the connectors. This is lesson 16 of the connectors, and we are looking at أن, إن, and أن. And here this is drill 1, تمرين واحد, and you're going to fill in the blanks with أن, إن, or أن, and where appropriate, you might need to add a pronoun connected to inna or anna. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go through the Arabic with you, and then you're going to fill in the blanks with the correct connector. يجب عليهم blank ينتهوا من المشروع بعد شهر. They must blank. It is important. It is necessary for them blank. They finish the project after 1 month. أخبرتني blank صديقتها ستزورها غدا. She informed me blank her good friend, her female friend, will visit her tomorrow. قالوا blank الدرس كان صعبا. They said blank the lesson was difficult. أربعة, number 4, blank الحديقة جميلة. Blank the garden is beautiful. من المتوقع blank نسافر في الأسبوع القادم. It's expected blank we will travel next week. هل قالت لك blank المحاضرة قد ألغيت? Did she say to you blank the lecture was cancelled? 7, من الجدير بالذكر blank القاهرة من أكثر المدن ازدحاما بالسكان. It's important to mention blank Cairo is one of the most populated cities. Number 8, 8, قابل الرئيس الصحفيين بعد blank ألقى خطابه. The president met with the reporters, with the journalists, with the reporters, after blank he gave his address. أعتقد blank المسألة في غاية الخطورة. I believe blank the issue is of the utmost importance, the utmost seriousness. Number 10, من المناسب أكثر blank نتصل بهم قبل زيارة. It's more appropriate blank we contact them before visiting. 11, number 11, لقد قالوا they have said blank غرباء عن هذه البلدة. غرباء is that they are strangers in this area. Number 12, زعم blank يتكلم 3 لغات أجنبية. He claimed blank that he speaks 3 foreign languages. So you should be able to now understand the context a bit better and put the connectors appropriately in the sentences. مع السلامة.